Sometimes we don't need special data from a document. We just need the raw text, cleanly pulled out and ready to work with. In this video, you will learn how to extract raw text from a document using AI in Python with the Extract Text API from the Cloud Immersive Document AI library. We'll begin by navigating to the Document AI Swagger page from the Cloud Immersive website. Here, we'll find documentation and code examples for all the Document AI API's methods. The extract text method is found under the extract path. When we open this drop-down window, we'll find a description of what this API does, which amounts to using AI to pull raw text content out of a document and return it organized by page. This API works with a variety of common document formats, including PDF, DocX, XLSX, PPTX, EML, MSG, JPEG, PNG, and WebP, and it supports a wide range of languages. The one parameter worth noting here is the recognition mode. In addition to the usual advanced and normal options, there's a third option called deterministic, which bypasses AI entirely and directly extracts text from digital documents. That's a useful option for clean, machine-generated PDFs where AI inference isn't necessary. We'll now demonstrate a quick implementation in Google Colab using the Python code examples provided in this window. First, we'll click on the Install SDK dropdown, copy the pip command we find here, and then run that command in our environment. While the SDK installs, we'll head back to the Swagger page, copy the remaining code examples, which include the imports we need right at the top, and paste them in our environment too. We don't need the print function import or the time import, so we'll get rid of those right now. We'll start with our configuration snippet. I have my Cloud Immersive API key saved in Colab, so I'll import that now and paste in the code examples which set my API key at runtime. After that, I'll add one quick line to manually set the configuration host to api.cloudimmersive.com, which is the default host for free tier subscriptions like mine. Now we'll configure our request parameters. We'll leave recognition mode as an empty string to use the advanced default, then upload a document to our local path and hardcode the file name to our input file variable. Now we need to understand the response model so we can work with the output, which we'll find back on the Swagger page. The response contains a page results array, where each element represents one page of the document and gives us a page number alongside a text result string with the raw extracted text for that page. We'll now write a quick loop beneath the pprint line to surface those results cleanly. We'll iterate through each element of page results and print the page number followed by its extracted text, so we have a clear page-by-page view of the full document contents. When we're done, we'll run our code and jump ahead to our API response. We now have the full raw text of our input document cleanly extracted and organized by page. Whether we're feeding this text into a downstream process, running it through a search index, or just need a plain text version of a document in any format, this condenses the entire extraction into a single API call. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about implementing Document AI APIs after following along with this video, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our team.